Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am getting ready to go to the sweater party at the Phillips. And so I am taking a couple of things and I want to show you what I'm bringing. They are perfect for gatherings, so I need to get going. Do you remember about a week or so ago when I made those mint-capped brownie cookie cups? They had the little Hershey Kiss on the top. Well, we didn't eat them and I didn't pass them out and I put them in the freezer and yay, they were able to be saved in the freezer. Nobody ate them. Maybe because I put them out in the back freezer, nobody could find them. But those are what I'm using for this. I'm taking them over to the Phillips. So let me show you how I'm going to dress it up. So I was looking around different craft places, Walmart, everywhere, to look for this. A cone shaped. And they're much harder to find when you're trying to find them. Isn't that how that works? Okay, so I left the plastic on because I didn't want any of the foam pieces to fall into the food. So what I'm going to do first is line the bottom with a row of these. So I'm just going to use some toothpicks. I'm just making sure that they will go through, and then I'm just going to pop them through. Okay, so it's going to be much easier to just put in the toothpick. Okay, I have my first row on there and I'm just gonna keep going and stack it all the way up. And then I'll show you how I'm also going to decorate it. So you start kind of getting a groove of where to put the toothpicks and then how to put in the cupcakes. Now you could do this with donut holes. That would be super fun for your kids to put together. Or if you have any other kind of your favorite treats that are like in these little mini cups. That would be so fun to do. Now that I'm climbing up the top, I'm just breaking the toothpicks in half. So it's just easier to put them through and then poking the cupcake on, or the brownie cup. So see how it's getting more narrow in here? Those long toothpicks will probably start spearing each other. So I'm totally happy with how it's turning out. So now we're at the top. So I'm just gonna put a toothpick in here. Now you could put not snow, the powdered donut to be on top like this, or you could actually put an ornament like a star, maybe a poinsettia. So I have a poinsettia here that maybe I still will put on top because I think that's super cute. Yes, maybe I will do that. And it is going to be adorable. But I also have more for the bottom. Let me show you what we're gonna do there. See, there's the top. I love it. Let me bring you closer. Now you can see the green styrofoam there with the plastic wrap, and I'm just gonna assume that people are just going to appreciate that I was making sure that they weren't going to get any styrofoam pieces. Or what I think I can do is I'll go get a bag of Hershey Kisses after work today and just stuff them in those little things. That's what I'll do. But let me show you what I have for down here. I purchased just some sugar donuts, or the powdered donuts, just so it makes it look like it's snowing. Isn't that so cute? So I'm just gonna line them around the bottom, and what I will do is just cover all of this with saran wrap so nothing gets stale. So I am thinking it's gonna be so cute. Okay, so I have it all wrapped up, and you can see in the little spots that I said that I had, like you can see the styrofoam, I just added some Hershey Kisses. Totally easy, right? And edible. Win. Okay, so the donuts are on the bottom. It looks like snow. And my son just said, if there are any leftovers, please bring them home. Of course. So I'm just going to put this aside and get started on the second one. Notice I'm in my sweater. I wear it every year to their party. But I am going to be making, every year I make different things to take. So I'm going to get started on something that I've not made before, and it's called Cranberry Brie Bites. So it looks super easy, only 3 ingredients, and I'm all over it. Let's go. So I'm using a small muffin tin and some whole cranberries. Now, the cans are weird. Look at them. I don't know why. Anyways, I got a couple of those cans, and here's the brie. Now, I bought enough to make 2 of these because I have a couple of these. So just a crescent rolls, and I accidentally just popped it. So using that one first. So let's get started. So easy peasy. It's just 24 squares. And so I'm going to now just put them in the muffin pan. So I'm using a brie right now to put into the little wells. Now, I don't usually cook with the brie. I love cheeses. I love lots of different kinds. I'm just not sure if I've had brie before. So let me know in the comments if you cook with brie and if it's one of your favorites. But it almost looks like a cheesecake over here. I mean, come on. Take a look at that. I just want to eat it. Looks good. So I'm just going to put a little bit in each well and show you what I'm going to do next. Next up, I'm just going to put a spoon of this yummy cranberry sauce. So just kind of give it a little bit of the tart. I can't wait to try this. After that, I'm just going to put it into the oven for about 15 minutes at 350. Now remember, the recipe card will be at the end of the video, so I hope you're just enjoying the video, and then you can write it all down at the end, or just take a snapshot. That will be super easy, just like this recipe. While I have that cooking, I can tell you that some other toppings that can go on top of that were some chopped pecans. That sounds delicious. Sprinkle a few of those, and even a little bit of rosemary with just like a little inch, just a little sprig, and just put it on the top. So if those are some things that you would like to try, by all means do it, because the more flavor the better. That's what I say. So and also when I was putting them together, it reminded me of one of my favorite snacks is just some cream cheese with some jam on it, strawberry jam on like a Ritz cracker. Done, right? Little mini cheesecakes for you. So I'll show you in a few minutes what those look like, but I can't wait to try it. These just came out of the oven. Yum. They almost look like little cheesecakes. So I'm going to give it a minute to cool down, and then I'll try it for you. So here's one. Super cute. Just nice hors d'oeuvre, and so good. It's like a warm, like if you were gonna eat cream cheese with a little bit of jam in a biscuit, I mean, come on, or a little pastry puff. Done, right? So good. More, please. Thanks for stopping by to see what I make for Danny and Tina's sweater party. I'm so grateful that you were able to stop by today, and I am loving your comments. I'm loving suggestions. So thank you so much for all of that. And stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye. Oh, hey, I'm just wearing a sweater. Bam! An ugly one. Ooh, ooh.
Hey, Brian.
It's a Danny unicorn.